So you're wondering how to care for your Allen Edmonds? In today's video, we break it down in 3 simple steps that you can do in less than 5 minutes a month. What's up, gentlemen? Welcome to Muscular Style, where we talk about all things style for the muscular man. If you are a muscular man, you want to up your style game, please hit subscribe below and you'll get notified of our weekly content. In today's video, we are talking about shoe care and specifically how to care for your Allen Edmonds. Now, shoe care is something that often can seem confusing or daunting. Today, I'm going to break it down for you easily in 3 simple steps. It's not that complicated. The first step is to always store your shoes with a shoe tree. Now, honestly, it's an easy step. You just need a $20 shoe tree. These are the Allen Edmonds ones. I did buy these when I bought the shoes. My one tip here is to make sure you get the combination, which is this split toe here. I've tried the full toe. I've tried 5 or 6 other different kinds, and this is literally the only one that has worked well for me. Woodlore actually makes these, and I've linked them below. I've just purchased Woodlore because it's a little bit cheaper and they work just as well. So tip number 1, always store your shoes with a shoe tree. One quick tip here is every time you wear your shoes, just take your brush, just brush them off, and that way they stay clean, and honestly all you need to do is stick them in their dust cover. They're good to go. Tip number 2 is you need to condition your shoes. Now this can be done every 1 to 2 to 3 months, depends on how you wear them, what kind of a climate you live in. So I condition my shoes about every 2 months. Honestly, all you want to make sure is that the leather is staying hydrated. If the leather cracks, it's not repairable. You'll have to buy another pair of shoes. And these shoes are meant to last 20 or 30 years, and you can destroy them after 1 if you're not taking care of them. So I use Chamberlain's. It's one of the best formulas I've found. I've used several of their other products and a few other shoe conditioners, but this one doesn't darken the leather nearly as bad, and it just does a great job. So I've linked this below if you want to check it out. And we'll go on to step number 3. Step number 3 is to polish your shoes. Now, I do recommend you use Saphir products. That's what I use. They are more expensive, between $20 and $25 per jar, but each jar is going to last you years and years. I have not made it through a single jar of Saphir yet, and for 20, 25 bucks, it really is the best value for the money. I have linked this below if you want to check it out, but just remember, polish your shoes and use a good polish. Don't use the cheap stuff. Spend a little bit more, especially where you have Allen Edmonds. Just get the Saphir. That's all that needs to be said. So as we've been talking, you've watched my shoe care routine. It's incredibly simple. I store my shoes with a shoe tree, clean them off with a brush, then I condition them. After they've had a little bit of time to dry, I polish them, and then I rub the polish off with a brush, and then I kind of mirror shine the toe a little bit. It's not actually a mirror shine. I don't take the time to mirror shine, but they look great. This is how I care for them. It takes me about 5 minutes per pair per month. It's honestly not a difficult process. I have linked all of the products below if you want to take a look at them. Honestly, this is all I do to care for my shoes, and this will keep them lasting for decades. The one other thing that I do is I resole my shoes when they need it. That's every 5 to 8 years. What shoe care tips did I miss? Please let me know in the comments below. But until next time, gentlemen, stay muscular and stay stylish.